Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize prompts for better results in Claude AI in 2026. So if you're getting weak, vague, or off-topic answers, this guide will help you fix that and get much higher quality outputs. First, always define your goal clearly. Instead of asking random questions, tell Claude exactly what you want, like writing, summarizing, coding, or analyzing. Next, add context. So explain background details, audience type, or purpose. This helps Claude understand your situation better and give more accurate answers. One powerful trick is telling Claude the format you want. You can request bullet points, tables, step-by-step guides, or summaries depending on your needs. If your request is too complex, break it into smaller steps. Claude performs much better when tasks are simple and clearly separated. You can also assign a role to Claude. Like asking it to act as a teacher, developer, marketer, or analyst to get more focused results. If the result isn't perfect, refine your prompt. Small changes in wording can significantly improve output quality, and that's how to optimize Claude AI prompts for best results in 2026. Once you master clarity, context, and structure, you'll get much more accurate and useful responses every time. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI prompt engineering tutorials. Hey everyone!